Morning children, this is class 5th maths and we are doing unit number 3 exercise work. In my previous video we have discussed question number 3 write in figures, and today we will see question number 4 write in figures again. Friends, in between these two, question number 3 and 4, you can see the question number 3 was based on Indian number system, Indian place value chart. These period blocks are made according to Indian place value chart. Crore period, lakh period are mentioned here. And in question number 4, it is based on international place value chart. You can see in front of these number names given in words, period blocks are made, and it is go till 100 billion, 10 billion. You can see the periods blocks are almost made till 100 billion. So this period place value chart is international place value chart. So we will do this according to international place value chart. So let us see this one by one. First one, 561,000. Now what mentioned here, 561,000, it is showing the 1000 period. 561,000. Okay, so how we will write? One's period is not given, so 0. Tens period is also not mentioned, 0. 100 period is also not mentioned, 0. We will start from right side. Okay, now in 1000 period what it is mentioned, 61,000, means 6 tens and 1 ones. So 1,000, 60,000, 61,000 and 500,000. 500,000 means at 100 what we will write, 5. So what this is, 500,061. Okay, 500,061. So like this way we have to do B1. 200,000. 200,000 means 100 in 100 period, 1000 period is mentioned. Okay, and 10,000 and 1000 place is not mentioned, so we will put 0. Got it? In 1000 period you can see 3 places, once 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 100,000 is mentioned 2, and 1000, 10,000 not mentioned, so we will put 0. See more, 978. So this is saying about one's period. In one's period, ones, tens, 100. So at 100, 9 is given, and 78. 78 means 7 tens and 8 ones. So we will start from one's period. 978. 978. Okay, and in 1000 period what is given, in 3 places only 100 places mentioned, 200,000. It means at 100 we will write 2, and the remaining 1000 places we will write 0. So 200,978. C. 6 million. In million what it is given, 6 million. Million, 10 million, 100 million. So 10 and 100 million is not given, only million place is given, which is 6. Okay, now 300,000. In 300,000, in 1000 3 places are there, only 100 place is given. What it 100 place is given, 300, and 1000, 10,000 place is not given, so we will write 0 again here. Okay, 417. Now it is one's period, so in 100 what we will write, 4, and tens and ones, 17 means 1 tens and 7 ones. So we will write from one's period, 417 means 417 we will write in one's period. Now the next period is 1000 period. 1000 period is given 300,000. So at 100 we will write 3, 0, 0. This is 300,000. After 100,000 million period is there, 1000 period, after million period is there. So in million 6 million is given, so at million place we will write 6. So this is 6,300,417. D, 45 million. Now you can see in million period two places are given, million place and 10 million place. So 45 means 40 plus 5 means 4, 10 million plus 5 million, 200 and 1000, 200 and 1000. It means at 100,000 there will be 2, 10,000 is not given, 1000 is given. So mean at 1000 1 we will write. Then 709. In ones period 700 is given, 10's place is empty and 9 at ones place. So 9 ones. So how we will write it? From the right side, first we will write ones period 709, 9 ones it is. So 709 means 7, 10th place is not given, we will write 0 and 9, 709. Then 200 and 1000. In 1000 period what is given? 200, 10,000 place is not given, 0 and 1, 200 and 1000. Now next period is million period. In million period what is given? 45 million. 45 million means million and 10 million. 100 million is not given, so 10 million at 4 and million 5. So 45 million 201,709. Now even 9 billion. You can see this number name goes till billion. So 9 billion 83 million. So 83 million means in million period two places are given, 10 million and million 83, 100 million is missing. So 9 billion 83 million, how we will write? We will start from ones period. So this is not given, so we will write 0. As 1000 period is also not mentioned, so we will write 0 in 1000 period in all the three places. Now million period is given. What million period is given? 83 millions means and 10 million 8 and million 3. So it is 83 million. And then 100 million place is not given, so we will write 0. And here given 9 billion. So this is the billion place and we will write here 9. 9 billion 83 million. Okay, 9 billion 83 million. So students, this was your question number 4. Do practice of this question number 3 and 4 based on the place value charts of Indian international system, and see how the blocks are arranged according to the periods and how we are writing in figure in that blocks. In next video we will see question number 5.